Welcome, dear friends. Welcome to our channel where we delve into the latest trends and the innovations in home decor. Today, we are exploring the exciting world of modular kitchen interior design, focusing on the top trends for 2024. Join us, we take a deep dive into the fascinating realm of L-shaped modular kitchens, offering insights into their functionality, style, and practicality. As homeowners increasingly seek versatile and space-efficient solutions, modular kitchen design has emerged as a cornerstone for modern living. For comfort, apartments to sprawling villas, modular kitchens offer a customizable approach to culinary spaces tailored to meet the diverse needs of every household. Embark on a virtual tour with us where we showcase a variety of modular kitchen setups, ranging from small and cozy to the expensive and luxurious. Discover the beauty of modular kitchens in the US, intricately designed to blend tradition with contemporary flair, offering a perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality. Explore the wide array of modular kitchen cabinets available in the market, each designed to maximize storage efficiency without compromising on style. From sleek and minimalist designs to ornate and embossed finishes, there are cabinet style to suit every taste and preference. We will also delve into the crucial aspect of modular kitchen organization, providing valuable tips and tricks to optimize space utilization and streamline daily cooking routines. Innovations in modular kitchens designs have revolutionized the way we approach kitchen installations. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind creating a budget friendly modular kitchen without compromising on equality style. Discover smart DIY modular kitchen ideas that empower you to unleash your creativity and transform your culinary space into a personalized oasis. Whether you are designing a compact kitchen layout for a small apartment or planning a grand culinary hub for your dream home, our comprehensive guide to modular kitchen interior design has you covered from layout to the other things. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tips on the home decor trend.